Hi there, I decided to show you, I just made a basic white bread recipe, and I took the dough and I folded it this way. And this is what I used. I used string cheese, mozzarella, and I went all the way around like this. Now, I'm going to let it rise a little bit more. Doesn't it look great? Nice big pizza. Making it for Ray, and I've already made a chocolate cake. It's not fancy. It's not frosted yet. And I'm going to use on the cake, I'm going to use the creamy sugar-free chocolate fudge. So I got to go turn my oven on. I've got to frost the cake, and when the pizza's about ready to go in the oven, I will show you the toppings, and then I'll show you the final results. This is just a quick little video I wanted to share. Okay, here we go. We have pepperoni. My hands are nice and clean. And then underneath the pepperoni, we have sweet peppers. We have yellow, orange, and red. Doesn't that look yummy? Didn't that rise good? Look at that. Yum. I've got the oven all ready at 415, and I will put this in for a half an hour. So we'll see you back here. Okay, folks, here we go. Ray wants to show you.
That's a good 2 inches high.
Good 2-inch high on the sides.
Wow.
Look at that. Put it over here, Ray. Look at, yeah, you can see it perfect. Okay, put it across the pizza.
Well, across.
Like this.
Okay.
That's what, 9.5, right?
I guess so. Yep.
It's about 9.5 by 9.5 by 12. Now that's a pizza.
That's a pizza.
All made.
That's a pizza.
Scratch, basic white bread recipe. And there you have it. We're going to let it cool off. That's part of Ray's supper. And I made him a cake, and I'll include it at the end of this video. It's nothing special where he's a diabetic. It's a sugar-free cake, a sugar-free chocolate frosting, and I did put a little bit of sprinkles on top. So you never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great day, and God bless, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.
He was so surprised.
Okay, Ray did not know I stuffed this right here with cheese. And he said, Brenda, did you know the crust has cheese in it? I said, yes, Ray, I do. So there it is right there. Isn't that yummy? Look at that. We're about to have dinner right now. But I couldn't tell you all that this was here in the crust.